Hello, another AQA A-level Physics multi-choice question in the mechanics topic. If you want to choose a different question, click on the information card up here. If you want to try this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer C, well done. Here's my explanation. The question below is about three spheres X, Y and Z. The relative mass and the relative diameter of each sphere are given in the table. Each sphere is dropped from rest and accelerates to its terminal speed. What is true about the accelerations of the spheres at the instant they are released? So, the instant they are released, they're not at their terminal speed. So that's a bit of a red herring, or a bit of a trying to catch you off your guard with that statement. That's a completely irrelevant statement. We're looking at the instant they are released. So let's draw the sphere. The instant they are released, the velocity downwards is zero. That means the air resistance or drag is also zero. If things aren't moving, there's no air resistance on them. So the only force acting on them is their weight. Their mass times the acceleration due to gravity. Now, I can tell you that if there's no drag, that the acceleration of every object in free fall is the same. On Earth it's 9.8 meters per second squared. But let's just think why that's the case. Because they have different masses. Sphere Y has 5 times the mass of X and Y, so it must have 5 times force acting downwards, and yet it still only accelerates at the same rate as X and Z. Okay, so let's have a look why. We know that force equals mass times acceleration, and therefore an object will accelerate at a rate equal to its force over its mass. Now the force on the object, on any object, is its mass times the gravitational field strength, if we're talking about the Earth here. So the acceleration from any of these spheres is going to be its mass multiplied by the gravitational field strength over its mass. So look at that, the masses cancel. It's going to accelerate at the acceleration due to gravity. So let's have a look at the answers. The acceleration of X is less than Y. No, they're all going to accelerate at the same rate. The acceleration of X is greater. No, the acceleration of X is the same as Y. Yes, answer C. Okay, if you found my explanation useful, click on that subscribe button please, share with your friends, hit the like button and watch more of the videos. Thank you.